Hey everyone, welcome back to RJ Art Gallery. Whether you're a beginner or experienced artist, follow along, and let's bring this amazing actor to life on paper. Before we get started, here are the materials you'll need. Pentel Graph Gear mechanical pencil, a set of art line pencils, and a blending tool, like a blending stump. Don't forget mono eraser pencil. Step 1. Start by lightly sketching the outline of the face using an HB pencil. Focus on getting the proportions right. Block in the basic shapes like the eyes, nose, mouth, and ears. Dinesh has a well-defined long beard, so let's give more space for that. Step 2. Let's start by drawing the eyebrows. Let's add more details to the eyes. Add the pupil and iris, and don't forget to leave a small highlight to give the eyes life. Gradually darken the areas around the eyes for more depth. Step 3. Now we'll move on to the nose and lips. For the nose, lightly shade the bridge and nostrils using a 4B pencil. Step 4. I'm starting by lightly sketching the outline of the mustache, then his beard, paying attention to its shape around his jawline and chin. To create texture, I'm using short, overlapping strokes in the direction of the hair growth. For the lips, focus on the shape first, and then use a darker pencil to define the shadows in the corners and under the lower lip. I'll gradually build up the density of the beard, making some areas darker, especially under the chin and around the sides, to give it depth. Remember, the beard doesn't need to be perfectly even. Varying the strokes and shading will give it a more natural look. Now let's use our eraser pencil to highlight his white hairs in his beard. Step 5. Time to work on the hair. Use your 4B and 6B pencils to define the darker areas and leave some lighter sections to give the hair a natural shine. Work in layers and use your blending tool to soften the texture. Step 6. Blending. Let's use the blending stump to blend around with the shadow, creating a shade effect. Step 7. Now for the final touch. Let's draw a quick outline for our outfit and cricket bat. Let's use the blending stump to blend around with the shadow, creating a shade effect. And there we have it. A detailed pencil drawing of Dinesh, focusing on his most recognizable features. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new today. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome drawing tutorials. Leave a comment below with who you'd like to see me draw next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.